Okay, this is the humidifier is on. Just turn it on for 5 minutes and then I'm gonna turn it off. This is it, the fog machine. You can turn it down lower. Yeah. I turned it down a little lower. Yeah. Turn it down lower. And you can turn it up higher. And I can position that nozzle any direction I want it to go in. Okay. So his husbandry is great. UVB, the T5, and then we got the basking light with a dimmer on it. This is the dimmer. I can make it lower the heat, and I got the humidifier to make it a little more moisture inside for my baby. And I got pothos inside. I got vines, all different sizes, and I'm hoping that the pothos will grow and grow up the back of the terrarium. Okay, I got the thermometer and the hygrometer. Okay. It's 95 degrees in there. And the hygrometer says it's 51% humidity. Okay, so my baby seems to be happy. Look at him over there. Or her. He's very content hanging out. Alright. So that's it. We got Charlie all set up. And Charlie is all started and ready. Ready to go. Yep. Yes. Great. Another thing is I put plastic underneath the terrarium. Yeah. So if the water spills a little bit when I spray, it won't ruin anything. Everything is protected. All right. So that's it. Good night, Charlie. See you tomorrow, buddy. Bye.